Hello guys, today we are gonna play Pokemon Platinum Part 2. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. So let's get started. There's Barry here. Barry, too slow as I'm sick of waiting. I'm going to go see Professor Rowan so I can thank him properly. So I have this idea. Listen up, okay? You know that lake where we always play at? You know how they say a legendary Pokemon lives there? You guessed it. Let's catch that Pokemon. That all make Professor Rowan happy. I'm sure of that. Me and you together, we have got nothing to fear. He's following me. Alright, we are at the lake. Get ready because we are captured in that legendary Pokemon. Trust me on this one. It's here. It even says so on the sign. What's going on? The flow in time. The expand in space. I'll make it all mine one day. Cyrus is my name. Remember it. Until then, sleep while you can. Legendary Pokemon of the lake bed. Allow me to pass. Step aside. What was that about? Weird guy. Okay, Ash, let's catch that legendary Pokemon. Did you hear that, Ash? That was a legendary Pokemon crying. That had to be it. Okay, this is our chance. Let's catch it. Wait, what? We don't have anything on us. You know Pokeballs? P-O-K-S-N-T balls? If we don't have those, we can't catch Pokemon or take them around with us. Do you think Professor Rowan gave us something if we asked him? You remember what he said, don't you? He said to visit him at his lab if he needed anything. Okay, Ash, I will race you. First one to the professor's lab in Sandgem Town rules. I'm going super duper fast right now. It's a wild Pokemon, let's battle it. Dawn is here. Oh, there you are. Please come with me. The professor is waiting. This is it, our Pokemon research lab. Let's go. Third. What the? Oh, it's you, Ash. That old guy, he's not scary so much as he is totally out there. Oh, it doesn't matter, Ash. I'm out of here. See you later. Wow, what was that? Your friend sure seems to be really impatient. Well, anyway, let's go inside. Well, look who's here. Ash, what's it? Let's have a look at your Pokemon. I see. This Pokemon seems to be rather happy. Interesting you? With that Chimchar was no mistake, it seems. Well, would you like to give it a nickname? No. When I first saw you two about to step into the tall grass without Pokemon, I was shocked. I was astounded by these foolhardy children. But now you have astounded me in an entirely different way. Already there is a bond growing between you and that Pokemon. I feel privileged to have met you. I'm sure Chimchar feels the same way about you. That's why I'll ask you to cherish that Chimchar of yours. I'm so glad that you are kind toward Pokemon. If you were not, I had to. Oh, I just can't say it. Ahem, let's move on to the main topic. There is something I want you to do for me. Allow me to properly introduce myself first. My name, as you know, is Rowan. I study Pokemon. First of all, I want to know exactly what kinds of Pokemon live in the Sinnoh region. To do so, it is necessary to collect data using the Pokédex. This is what I wish to ask of you. I want to entrust you with this Pokédex. Will you use it to record data on all the Pokemon in Sinnoh for me? Yes. Good answer. As obtained the Pokédex. That Pokédex is a very high-tech device. It will automatically record data on every kind of Pokemon you encounter. As I ask that you go everywhere and meet every kind of Pokemon in this region. I've got one too. When you walked up Route 101 with your Pokemon, what did you feel? I have lived for 60 long years. Even now I get the thrill when I'm with a Pokemon. Now you should know that there are countless Pokemon in this world. That means there are just as many thrills waiting for you out there. Now go, as your grand adventure begins right now. The Pokemon that I met for the first time was a Turtwig. If you would have chosen a Turtwig on Route 101, we have had the same Pokemon now. Not that it matters, but anyway, I am done. I also helped the professor add pages to the Pokédex. So in a sense, I am just like you. I just got a little head start on you. That's all. I'll be happy to teach you things. Glad to meet you, Ash. Alright, let's go. Ash! I have something good here. You should take this as well. I've found a TM27. That is a technical machine that one contains the move return. Using a technical machine or TM for short teaches a move instantly to a Pokemon. Bear in mind, however, that the TM is single use only. The move return gains power the more friendly your Pokemon is with you. It's up to you. Of course, if you want to use the TM or not, I'll send you off with the wish that your journey will be fun. Oh wow, I didn't know the professor had TMs. Was he a trainer when he was young? Okay, Ash, I will act as your mentor. I have got a bit more experience than you as a trainer and as the professor's assistant. Okay, follow me. This building with the red roof is that Pokemon Center. It's the place that heals Pokemon that have been hurt in battle. You can find a Pokemon Center in most towns. The building with the blue roof over here is the Pokemart. It's a shop where you can buy and sell items and medicine. As since you are a novice trainer, you won't be able to buy many kinds of merchandise. Don't let it bother you. Oh, that's right, Ash. Don't you need to let your family know that you are going to be helping Professor Rowan with the Pokédex? You may need to go far away, so I think you should let someone know. Oh, but before you go, heal up your Pokemon at the Pokemon Center. It will be a lot less scary that way. Okay, bye now. I'm gonna buy some potions at the shop. Potions. And like 6 of them. Okay, let's heal up my Pokemon and then go to my hometown. Okay, let's go to my hometown. Welcome home, Hash. Are you and your Pokemon healthy? Take a quick rest, dear. What is it, Ash? Wow, Professor Rowan asked you to do something that big. Okay, dear, go for it. Your mom's got your back. Okay, I know, Ash. I have got something that you'll find useful. Ash have done the journal. That's a journal. It keeps a record of your daily events. Check it and you will be able to remember what you did last. Yeah, a journey full of adventure. I envy you, kiddo. Plus, you're not alone. You have your Pokemon with you. I wish I could go instead. I'm just joking, dear. Yup, Ash. I'll be alright by myself. So you go and enjoy your adventure. When you're exposed to new things and experience new sensations, it makes your mother happy too. But come back sometimes. I would like to see the kinds of Pokemon you've caught, dear. It's Barry's mom. Excuse me, is my little Barry here? Oh, no, he's not. Oh, then he must have left already. What to do? That boy shouted about going on an adventure, then he bolted. He's so headstrong and reckless. I at least wanted him to take this. Not to worry, Ash will deliver that to him. Won't you, Ash? Oh, really? Can you do that for me? Ash, please take this to Barry for me. Ash, I've done the parcel. Bye-bye, Ash. Enjoy your adventure. Let me think. Knowing my boy, he would probably head straight to Jubilife City. Okay, please take that to my Barry. Alright, let's go. That's a wild Pokemon. I'm gonna fight it so I can level up. gonna run now because I don't have enough HP. Dawn is here again. Oh, that's right. As I haven't shown you how to catch a Pokemon, I'll demonstrate how to catch one. So just watch me, okay? Go. She has 20 Pokeballs. Dawn catch Bidoof. Giggle, see, isn't it neat? Actually, it's better to lower your target's HP more than I did. It's important to get the Pokemon's HP down as low as possible. This is because a healthy Pokemon is very difficult to catch. Oh, Pokemon also get easier to catch if you make them sleep or something by using a Pokemon move. Okay, Ash, to get you started, I'll give you 5 Pokeballs. Thanks. If you have lots of Pokemon with you, it will be safer on long trips. Plus, it will be a lot more fun having a Pokemon friends along. Okay, I need to get going. Bye now. Yeah, bye. Okay, let's fight. You're Pokemon trainer and so am I. Our eyes met, so battle we must. Good thing it's using roll. Now it's using tackle. What? Why is attacking 2 times? Now I am attacking 2 times. I won. I got to level 7. Yes, it learned Ember. Now it will be a little easy to battle trainers. Too strong, too strong. I got 80 for winning. Don't be shy about talking to trainers you are like to battle. Pokemon grow stronger and stronger from battling. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, let's fight with this trainer. I spy with my little eye a trainer. A battle, please. Yeah, okay, battle. I'm gonna use Ember. It's not gonna be effective, but it's okay. I won. My Chimchar almost growed, but no. Oh boo, I can't win. I got 80 again for winning. Alright, let's go. What is it now? A bit of... I'm not fighting it anymore. I know that there are more trainer battles. Yeah, there's one right here. Let's try if I can just go past him. No. I could not go past him. Let's have a Pokemon battle. But I'm gonna win. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh, Balmy. Fire type attacks will be effective. I'm gonna use Ember. I know it's gonna be effective. Ember. And yeah, I won. 54 experiment points for Chimchar. Chimchar grew to level 8. Play defeated Youngster Logan. You beat me? You have got talent. I got 80 again for winning. I'm not catching this Starly. But now I'm gonna catch another Pokemon. But not Starly or Bidoof. I know there will be Shins coming in this area. Ooh, don't battle. Yes, there it is. I don't have Shins, but I'm just gonna catch it. Ember. Hopefully it doesn't fail. Yeah, good. I'm gonna use a Pokeball now. Bag. Pokeball. You. Hopefully it stays inside the Pokeball. 2, 3, and... No, it came out. I'm gonna use another Pokeball. Why is this even getting out? I think my Chimchar is gonna fail soon. Come on, get in there, Shins. Yes, I got it finally. Gotcha! Shins was caught. Shins data was added to the Pokédex. I know it. The extension of contraction its muscles generates electricity. It glows when in trouble. Give a nickname to the cat Shins. Yes, I am gonna name it Sparky. Okay, and then finally white Sparky. Okay. Okay, we are at the Jubilee City. The next part 3 we will continue. Bye.